That poem just appealed to me so much. I could just imagine Neha just standing there and literally talking to me in the poem.
So how did you start poetry? Like, how did you start writing?
I actually started, I've been writing all my life pretty much. And it was only during the pandemic that I started, I started scribbling furiously. I felt like the words were just bubbling up from within this typewriter, within my soul.